You can do everything right as an attorney, gather evidence, interview witnesses, build a compelling argument, but if your medical documentation is weak, your case can still fall apart. I'm here to make sure that doesn't happen. If you're a personal injury attorney, you already understand how important strong medical documentation is. Your client's entire case may depend on the clarity, accuracy, and depth of the medical records, but too often, surgery reports are vague, overly technical, or missing critical details. That makes it harder to prove the extent of the injury, the necessity of treatment, and the long-term impact on your client's life. I'm Rob Williams, an orthopedic surgeon at Coastal Orthopedics in Corpus Christi, Texas. For over 25 years, I've worked with patients who've been injured in accidents and with attorneys like you to provide medical documentation that holds up and helps you win. The real challenge isn't just treating the injury. It's proving the injury in a way that's clear, credible, and court-ready. That's where my surgical reports come in. When done properly, they don't just support a case, they give it momentum. We start with accurate diagnoses. My team uses advanced imaging, clinical evaluation, and years of orthopedic experience to identify and document the injury, whether it's a ligament or tendon tear, fracture, or other soft tissue injury. These diagnoses are supported by objective findings and clearly recorded in the medical record. Next, we provide detailed treatment reports. We explain what procedure was performed, why it was necessary, and what the patient's recovery will look like. Whether the surgery was done in an emergency setting or was a planned reconstruction, we make it clear why it couldn't wait and what the consequences would have been without it. Then we address prognosis. Will this person need additional care? More surgeries? Ongoing therapy? Will they be able to return to their normal life or their job? That information helps you make a compelling case for future damages and long-term support. Our reports strengthen your case in 3 key ways. They clarify the severity of the injury, explain the rationale for treatment, and support claims for damages with medical detail and professional insight. We also include objective data, like imaging from MRIs, CAT scans, or X-rays, to visually show what happened to the patient and why treatment was necessary. When needed, I also serve as an expert witness. I help translate complex medical language into plain English, explain the logic behind treatment decisions, and provide a calm, confident presence in the courtroom that helps judges and juries fully understand not just the injury, but its impact on the person's daily life. The earlier we're involved in the case, the better the documentation will be. When legal and medical teams work together from the start, we can ensure the reports are both clinically sound and legally useful. At Coastal Orthopedics, my team and I are committed to helping attorneys build stronger cases with clear, professional medical documentation. If you're looking for a medical expert who understands both the clinical side and the legal impact of personal injury cases, let's connect. I'm Rob Williams, orthopedic surgeon. I'm here to help you build better cases with clarity, precision, and medical evidence that stands up in court.